All right, there she is, all done. Welded, patched, sandblast, ready for paint. Frame freshly sandblasted, ready for weld. Got a couple spots I want to go over. I marked all the spots with black Sharpie, what needs to be patched, what needs to be re-welded. I got these I need to redo. You just tack there. There, and on the other side, all the way around. Where's this? Oh, right here. This is the stock weld. Yeah, I don't know what's up with that. We're gonna fix that. Gotta add more weld there, beef that up. This as well, that weld. The weld here could be better, so I'm gonna beef that up. Beef that up. There's another line, full weld. Come up here, do that right. Got some cracks right there. Gonna fill those in. This one needs a little love. This weld is kind of garbage, so I'm just gonna add another one there. And then I got these. Nice. This right here, those little beads, little bubbles, that's because there was sand stuck in between there and I couldn't get it out. That's what happens after you sandblast. If you don't get all the sand off, you go to weld over it, you get little holes in it. So, whatever. Not too bad because I'm going over this. It's pretty solid. Now this is going to be a little tricky. So I think what I'm going to do is just go up and over, up and under. Do something like that. I don't know. We'll give this a shot. There we go. So I got in there. I'll take a picture. All right, we got our pieces completely cut out because, you know, it makes more sense to cut it square, get a better weld in there. Went ahead, cut this piece out as well. Everything's welded up except for these two pieces. I cut that out because we're just gonna put a full new piece in instead of just patch welding stuff. Since it's such a nice frame, we're trying to keep it look original as possible. Alright, customer should be here. He's actually pulling it right now. Hopefully he likes what he got. There goes the truck frame. I got paid. Feels good. Hustling.